Yeah, but we have to know what go on because you can't go leave and we don't know what go on. Because remember, say things sell and things whatever, we don't hear nothing about that.
You see, boss, when you say they ain't thief in church, boss, me hear say no go so a Clarendon, in Avi, and him thiefy,
What you say?
Avi a church school picnic.
Now, without further ado, Sister Priscilla, let me introduce you to.
It's not Pastor Dipper, it's Father Dipper. Yeah?
Remember when your wife couldn't get pregnant? I mean, lay a hand on her.
That the pastor then now buy no pussy in no bag.
Because we don't want to give the cheese to the rat. You understand? So we need trustworthy people to deal with the financial aspect of the church. Only time them church full is only when
Sister Diana me died, you know. Me get a little crowd and make a little food.
Everything in our church belongs to him. Because when him a jump on prance and start preach, him a preach, I work, him a work.
The Bible say you must what?
Come as you are, render your heart but not your garment. My clothes short so me wear ties to pastor and the rest of church brother they don't look under me.
Sister Priscilla, I want to tie straight up the whole our vagina. Me not no problem with it, you know. It smell good, it no smell bad.
You a deacon in a church, long time. And you me not see which part you're elevating, just have your right there, so. And sometimes you have your like say, you're usher boy.
I wasn't a 87 back then, you know. I was a 95.
What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. When God hits you,